The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2023 BMW X3 with a factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base rack system. So this consists of the WingBar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available. The Evo flush rail foot pack, which come in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 186007. So a great rack for all sorts of different gear and accessories with a 165 pound evenly distributed weight capacity. Crossbars are variable along the length of the flush rail. And that's just going to be a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.